People may have a video right here, so I want to know watch. Zane, and people, that girl here, everything what she has say is on point. Everything what she has say makes a sense. Come, we go do it, but before we do it, I go tell you no now. She used some curse words in the video, but me leave them in there because I want her message to come across just the way how she say it. See it? So let's take a listen.
Yo, I'm convinced, brother. I'm convinced in my soul. Say no farmer love no day in Jamaica. Me even a contemplate say no farmer love ever did exist in a blood clot Jamaica. The little one love where Bob Marley did a push, that dead with him. From me a little girl up till now as a big woman, me still a hear about the same things. You don't want to force ripe the little boy them and the little girl them. Uno promote and protect pedophilia. Uno turn a blind eye to family ram. And uno love to victimize and put the blame on the person that was molested or done harm to it. Uno love to put blame on the victim because uno don't want uno favorite person, uno friend or family member, uno love one parent drink with. Uno don't want to tell them say them wrong. Uno don't want to arrest them and lock them up. Why? Because uno love blood clot likes. Uno want to be cool. Uno want to promote a culture that literally tells a grown man that it is okay for him to deal with a little girl. A little boy. I don't care when nobody want to say. The pedophilia, the family ram, the forced rape, all of them something they have to stop. I don't care what church people want to say because one of the main ones them will turn a blind eye when them things they are going. Talk about say God and now go give him warriors them more than when the God now nothing in a God in a that. God is about love. And nothing in a God in a that. So I don't know which God una blood clot praise because me tell you no. Love no there in a that blood clot. You can't convince me and tell me say love no there in that. You need to stop victimizing the victim. Yo, Jamaica, we need to change, brother. Yo, it have to stop it. It have to stop. It have to stop.
Firstly, Empress, big up yourself. Because everything where you say, as me say, makes sense. Everything where she say, on point. You see, the fact is that Jamaican people, as she say, no want to call out the pedophile them. Them rather fi shield them. I mean, know someone not gonna say, no, I know every Jamaican, so don't generalize it. But you see, we have to generalize it, because here what you see somehow, when I know brother, and you know say when the brother involved in a certain things, you shield them. See? When I know boyfriend, I don't know so when a boyfriend involved in a certain things, you shield them. No, yes, as that me say, you have some woman with there with some man and know say man have one little girlfriend where 10, 12, 11, 13 and them age depend and still shield him before report him. Them thing they are gone. And as she say, no want to get on a favorite person arrested. So no can do on the foolishness and the nonsense. No for now go like what I say right here, so but me go say it anyway. You see the whole of no way I bash Mr. Vegas and tear down Mr. Vegas when Mr. Vegas a call out the pedophile them. Uno can do on the nonsense. Uno are the problem. Nothing wrong in what Mr. Vegas a say. Mr. Vegas a call out the pedophile them. And uno bash him. I tell him to leave people business alone and go do music. But guess what? I bet you if it was your favorite person, I do what Mr. Vegas I do, you would have been there like, yes, me agree. But most of you don't like Mr. Vegas. So, you disregard the message because you don't like the messenger. And that is where you go wrong. Them thing you need to stop in a Jamaica. You need to start call out the pedophile them, call out the rapist them, make people know who they are and get them arrested. People, talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me hear your opinion on this, because as me always say, your opinion matters.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.